So I'm just going to show you um, how to get your software with this video here. So we're on the syllabus, and if we click here, it does take us to the Adobe website on the students and teachers page, educators page. Um, so you get, for $20 a month, you get all of the apps, which means you get Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. I think if you get Adobe Photoshop monthly on its own, I want to say it's about the same. Um, it won't tell me because I'm already signed up, because I'm signed in as myself right now and I have all the apps. I'm not sure if it's any cheaper to get Adobe Photoshop on its own by the month for a student. You might just want to go ahead and get the monthly plan for the all apps. You can also do a free trial, so you can do that first and then start buying it after that for $19.99 a month. And you can get all of the applications, which includes Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and then also, which are the three that we're going to be using, but also other things that you might want to experiment with on your own. But in this class, we are starting off with Photoshop, then doing Illustrator, and then InDesign. So you could do all apps, which is up here at the top. It says right here, all apps plan, free trial, buy now, $20 a month. Or you could do Photoshop on its own. You can do the buy now or free trial. I suggest doing the free trial first. I hope that answers your questions. You might need to sign in and create an account first to be able to get the software. And if you have any more trouble, just let me know. Hopefully this video kind of clears it up for you.